Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Viggy and this is my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss something more serious and potentially dangerous, so let's get right into it. There's a video going around. I received it from a few different groups on WhatsApp. You see a bunch of guys, Bukhram, it looks like Miri Yeshiva, one of the apartments, they're laying out cigarettes on the table. At first it doesn't look that bad, you know, it's only cigarettes, it's a lot of cigarettes. But the voice note that followed right after this video is the key that made this cigarettes laying out on the table so dangerous. So let's hear the voice note.
Me schmuggelt around cigarettes. There's no ways back in the airport, but it's almost alle hebben gemaakt met twee geveren. Jeder hat genommen a Sachkarten cigarettes. In jede Zadar gemacht, wurde geschehen. Und es machen $10,000 für das. $10,000 machen es für das. Lass mal die Garage in ein Picture von alle Karten, so muss jetzt mal sagen gewesen, ausgepackt jeden Mann. Und das ausgepackt von der Dining-Room-Tisch. So alle mensen op parlement, alle mensen sigarettes. Verkauft es du, für ein Mensch kauft es ab. Ik heb morgens in de dieren, we get met zijn garbage bags, ik get $10,000 cash. Vertelt es is met jedem. So die trip, je bent een free trip, so ik moet kost $1,000 en whatever, ze weet also $1,000 each book.
Now let's go through the voice note and let's see bit by bit where I think there is an issue and what could happen in the future and why I think it's so dangerous.
Ik kom jetzt mandieren, net als Roel, terug van Ukraine. En lang ging zoeken, dus ik ga geld voor de trips.
First of all, he's saying that he is back from Ukraine. So that means he took it from Ukraine back to Israel. I'm not sure exactly how the Ukraine prison system works, but if he would have gotten caught or anything, I don't think he would have been too happy. And he's saying also trips. That means he's insinuating that he had a few of them. And he's also answering a question. It looks like somebody asked him, how could you afford these trips? So he's answering back. And he is making it sound like there is a trick to it. Like it's a trick. A trick is not true. It's like not a real thing. It's only a trick.
Me schmuggelt around cigarettes. There's no ways back in the airport.
So he's definitely admitting that he is smuggling in something. That means he knows that it's illegal. But I know in his brain he doesn't understand the idea, the severity of the you know, what could really happen. Things that can go really, really wrong.
But it's almost alle hebben gemaakt met twee geveren. Jeder hat genommen a Sachkarten cigarettes. In jede Zadar gemaakt, wurde geschehen. En es machen $10,000 für das. $10,000 machen es für das. Lass mal die Garage in ein Picture von alle Karten, so muss jetzt mal sagen gewesen, ausgepackt jeden Mann.
And he's gloating about it. He's saying, "Oh, let me send you a picture of it. You know, let's show off."
Ausgepackt von der Dining-Room-Tisch.
Making into a cool scenario, cool story that happened. You know, we got cigarettes, we laid them out on the table. It's a cool thing, not a dangerous thing.
So alle mensen op parlement, alle mensen cigarettes. Verkauft es du, für ein Mensch kauft es ab. Ik heb morgens in de dieren, we get met zijn garbage bags, ik get $10,000 cash. Vertelt es is met jedem.
Now that he's saying that someone is going to come and pick it up, that's a whole nother stress level for itself, a whole nother story for itself, you know. You don't know who that person is. If he's a bad person, you know, something can go terribly wrong with the switch. I don't know what he can think. He can think that you're the cops. You guys can think he's the cop. It can go totally wrong, and when these people go wrong, it's not just a oopsie, it's real stuff could happen, and real stuff, people can go out with body bags.
So they trip, you mean a free trip, so it must cost $1,000 and whatever, so it also $1,000 each.
So he's saying that the 10 grand gets split up around the 10 boys, so his trip was $1,000, so this is how he gets a free trip. Now, let's just say someone did it for the first time now, and he got away. He can do it again, and usually your odds go up, and you're gonna get caught. Your second time, your third time, you're gonna up your ante, you're gonna up your game, you're gonna do something crazier because you wanna go on crazier trips. Now, when you tell this to other people, to other guys, to other boys, they would wanna do the same thing. And when they wanna do the same thing, they're gonna make a mistake. Maybe they're not gonna be as smooth, or they're gonna be as confident as you. They're gonna say something wrong, and they're gonna catch another 5, 6 guys, maybe worse than cigarettes. I don't know exactly the penalty for cigarettes. I'm sure it's illegal, so I'm guessing there's some sort of penalty, but it makes it look cool, and it makes other people do it. And then once something goes wrong, it becomes our issue. You know, Klal Yisrael's ganze issue on who should help them, lawyers, Tillam. So that's why I felt like it's kind of important for me to make this video, so I can tell you that, you know, people maybe the same age or younger or would want to copy it, know what you get yourself into. It's fun and games until things hit the roof. You know, it's all, yeah, I had a free vacation, it's $1,000, but is your life worth $1,000? You know, if somebody does it for, let's say, for his food or to live, otherwise he's gonna die, or support his family, I'm sorry that he has to do it, but I can hear him. But just for a free trip to go to Ukraine does not really, you know, level out the playing field. So I hope anybody that sees this video knows anybody that would do it and would stop to do it. Even one person, it's still paid. So thank you again for watching. I hope you use your cycle. I hope you use your brains. Thank you again. Vigi out.